Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite summer vegetables, the cucumber, if you've ever wanted to grow your own crunchy, refreshing cucumbers right at home. You've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. From seed to harvest, let's get our hands dirty. First things first, let's talk about what cucumbers love. They are total sun worshippers, so you need to pick a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. They also love rich, well-draining soil. Before you plant, it is a great idea to mix in some compost or well-rotted manure to give your plants a nutrient-packed head start. This will make a huge difference in the health and productivity of your cucumber vines. There are two main types of cucumbers, vining and bush. Vining types are the most common. They love to climb. So you'll need to give them a trellis, a cage, or even a fence to scramble up. This not only saves space in your garden, but also keeps the cucumbers off the ground, which helps prevent diseases and results in straighter fruit. Bush types are more compact and are perfect for smaller gardens or even growing in large containers on your patio. Now for planting. You can start seeds indoors about 3 to 4 weeks before your last frost date, or you can sow them directly in the garden once the soil has warmed up to at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Plant the seeds about 1 inch deep if you're planting in rows. Space them about 1 foot apart. Cucumbers are thirsty plants, especially once they start producing fruit. They need about 1 inch of water per week, and maybe more if it's really hot. A consistent watering schedule is key to preventing bitter-tasting cucumbers. Try to water at the base of the plant in the morning to avoid getting the leaves wet, which can lead to fungal issues like powdery mildew. Finally, the best part, harvesting. Most cucumbers are ready to pick about 50 to 70 days after planting. Don't let them get too big on the vine, as they can become bitter and seedy. Check your plants every day or two once they start producing. The more you pick, the more the plant will produce. Just use a pair of scissors or pruners to snip the stem. It's that simple. And there you have it, your complete guide to growing delicious homegrown cucumbers. It's so rewarding to bite into a cucumber you grew yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! And I'll see you in the next video.